What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am here in Las Vegas, Nevada at Red Rock Canyon with the fam. And so we're going to go on a little bit of a hike and show you guys Wagwan. Before you do anything else, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that you guys receive a notification every time I post a new video. Like this video, comment. Let's go. The type of thing you only see in Las Vegas. Warning, extreme heat. Okay, so we're making our way through Red Rock Canyon. Here with the fellas. Here with the boys. Here with the boys. Here with the boys. Okay, yeah. Here with the boys. Yeah, he got to be throwing up gang signs and stuff. He got the bandana. Look at this view. It's like something out of a movie.
You want to go there first?
Okay, so we just climbed down now, so we're in the valley. And now we're gonna go to the top.
There's a mountain bigger than this under the water. Wow.
That's how deep water is.
Good leg workout.
I'm not even sweating.
It's like a little cave.
A little bit.
Mouth of a cave.
Yeah, because those caves and stuff.
Okay, so we're at the top. Look at those faces, tired right there. Look at that.
You're tired too, I can tell.
Yeah. Whew. Just came all the way up here. I'm pooped. That's how far we came.
It's just so
We're gonna put the drone up. Okay, so we just had a fun adventure here in Red Rock Canyon, but the problem is now we're in the middle of the canyon and we're on a race against daylight, so we didn't prepare to come out here and be stuck. So there's someone celebrating. That's where we got to go. So hopefully we can make it out of here before it gets too dark. Alright guys, so that concludes this video. We made it up to the top. As you guys can see, it's nice and bright when we came out here, and now we just barely beat the sunset. So thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit the notification bell so that you guys receive a notification every time I post a new video. Definitely like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Live from
Vegas.
Vegas.
Woo! V. We out. Peace.